Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vital and in this video we discuss about the types of addition reactions in organic chemistry. You know, in organic chemistry there are three types of addition reactions that are namely the nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition reactions and free radical addition reactions. So we discuss about these three types of addition reactions in this video. Before starting this discussion, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now. So let's start our discussion. Our discussion is about the types of addition reactions in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, addition reactions are divided into three types. One is electrophilic addition reaction, another is nucleophilic addition reactions, and third part is free radical addition reactions. So first we have to know that what is addition reaction. In addition reaction, this is an example of addition reaction. Look at this, this is ethene, this is ethene and halogen acid, hydrochloric acid is added to ethene, so ethyl chloride is formed. Ethyl chloride is formed when ethene is reacted with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it is forming ethyl chloride. Here look at this reaction, this is an example of addition reaction. Why it is an example of addition reaction? Look at here, this bond is eliminated and hydrogen atom is added to this position and chlorine atom is added to this carbon atom and this one is forming. So for this reason this is called an addition reactions. In this addition reaction, what happens, the reactant molecule combine with the reagents, and here the reagent is HCl and attacking reagent combine with the reactant and the product form. So this one is called the addition reaction. So this addition, you understand already that what is addition reaction. In addition reaction, the reactant molecule is added up with the reagents and number of atoms in reactant molecule increases in the product formation time. Yeah, because in reactant molecule some atoms are added from the reagent, and as a result in product molecule the number of atom increases, okay, than reactant molecule. So this is called addition reaction. And addition reactions are divided into three types. The number one type is electrophilic addition reaction, and number two nucleophilic addition, three free radical addition. We show each reactions in full details, that what is electrophilic addition, what is nucleophilic addition, and what is free radical addition reactions. So first, electrophilic addition reaction, we are discussing this topic, that electrophilic addition reactions. Suppose we are taking an alkene and it is ethene, and ethene in presence of HBr, hydrobromic acid, it is showing an electrophilic addition reaction. How it is showing an electrophilic addition reaction? Here bromine is del minus charge, hydrogen has del plus charge, and in this double bond H plus is at first added up in this alkene system, and another carbon is now becoming a plus charge and Br minus, okay. So H plus is forming a carbocation H plus is initially this reaction in this reaction electrophile is added to the alkene. The electrophile is H plus and H plus is added to the alkene. This is the alkene double bond. In double bond H plus is added first and a carbocation is formed. This is a carbocation. This is a carbocation is formed and this step is a slow step. Okay. So in electrophilic addition reaction, at first very slowly the electrophile here H plus H from HBr H plus is added to the alkene. So at first electrophile is added. So for this reason this is called electrophilic addition reaction. So after addition of electrophile H plus, this carbocation is formed, and after forming this carbocation, okay, we can erase it also. This is step 1 and forming an intermediate that is a carbocation as intermediate. After that it first convert into this one, because this bromine minus the residual part of the reagent attack to this carbocation and to form the product, that is we are taking ethene and it is forming ethyl bromide. Okay, so this one ethyl bromide CH3 CH2Br ethyl bromide is formed. So this is the mechanism of electrophilic addition reaction. So at first electrophile H plus is added up to the double bond alkene and CH bond is formed, and positive charge carbon means carbocation is formed, and then Br minus, that is the nucleophile, attack to this positive charge and it is the first attack and the product ethyl bromide is formed. This is the details of electrophilic addition reaction, mechanism of electrophilic addition reactions. So you understand this, the electrophilic addition reaction mechanism. Similarly, other electrophilic reactions are also possible. We can show the electrophilic addition with Br2 bromine, electrophilic addition of alkene with Br2 to form one two dibromo. Actually in this case you have to write this hydrogen in straight way, and this one is 1,2-dibromo ethane. 1,2-dibromo ethane is formed from Br2 CCl4. Addition reaction of Br2 CCl4 to ethene is producing 1,2-dibromo ethane. This is an example of electrophilic addition reaction, and this is the means addition reaction, halogen addition reaction, halogenation reaction example. You can show the mechanism of these reactions, means mechanism of bromine addition. I am not discussing it in details. We are next discuss about the nucleophilic addition reaction. For nucleophilic addition reactions, like example, this is formaldehyde and addition of HCN, or Cn minus to this compound HCN. Here it is coming from HCN, Cn minus is coming from HCN in presence of OH minus, means NaOH, it is coming OH minus. What happens? At first Cn minus attack to this carbon, and as a result this bond open up. Actually okay, no problem. Attacks to this carbon and O minus is open up. So our next structure, and this one is a slow process. And cyanohydrin is formed, this is anion, alkoxide anion is formed, O minus. The process is slow process. At first the nucleophile attack to this carbonyl carbon, where carbon end is plus charge, and nucleophile Cn minus. The first step is started with a nucleophile is Cn minus. Here Cn minus is a nucleophile. It attacks to the carbonyl carbon and an ion is formed. Here O minus is O is open up, means O minus is formed, and an anion is formed. This one alkoxide anion is formed, and then from this anion a first addition of H plus to this O minus, and this is called, means this compound is formed OH and Cn. It is called formaldehyde cyanohydrin. Formaldehyde cyanohydrin is formed. So this is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophile at first attack to the reactant molecule, then an anion is formed as intermediate, and after that this is a slow process, and after that a first H plus addition to the O minus, and formation of OH to the place of O minus, and cyanohydrin is formed. This is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Why it is called nucleophilic addition reaction? Because in this case the nucleophile is attacked first to the carbonyl carbon, and after that the electrophile is added to the O minus. Electrophile is added to the O minus to form the formaldehyde cyanohydrin. Next, the third type of addition reaction, we discuss about the third type of addition reaction. This is the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. it is one example of nucleophilic addition reaction. In nucleophilic addition reaction, nucleophile will attack first, then the electrophile add up to the molecule. So next our example is free radical addition reactions. Free radical addition reaction. Free radical addition reaction is type of addition reaction that is proceed with the radical. As for example, CH3 CH2 in presence of HBr and any organic peroxide, suppose benzoyl peroxide. So this reaction is an example of addition reaction, and free radical addition mechanism is occur in this reaction, because this peroxide at first breaks to form 2 RO dot, and this 2 RO dot reacts with HBr to form 2 ROH plus Br dot. Okay, this Br dot starts the reaction. We can consider this double bond as dot and dot. Okay, one double bond means one electron, another electron. Okay, so and bromine has one electron, so at first bromine add to this CH2 dot, to form a 2 degree radical. This is Br dot, means bromine radical. Bromine radical adds to this CH2 dot and forming the CH3 CH dot CH2 Br. That is a 2 degree radical is formed. 2 degree radical is formed. After forming this 2 degree radical, in the next step, after forming this free radical, in the next step this will react with another HBr, where we can consider HBr as dot dot, and this H dot is added to this CH dot and forming a product. This one, so this is called 1-bromo propane. 1-bromo propane is formed when in propene the HBr is added in presence of peroxide. So this one is forming 1-bromo propane as the product. So this one is an example of free radical addition reactions. Here the bromine dot is the free radical which is added to the alkene system, and after that the H dot is added to the system to form 1-bromo propane. So this is the total discussion about the kinds of addition reaction in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry there are 3 types of addition reactions that are seen to us. One is electrophilic addition reaction, which is initiated by an electrophile. An intermediate carbocation is formed. After that, first product formation occur by the attack of the nucleophile. Second case is the nucleophilic addition reaction. The nucleophilic addition reaction is started by the attack of a nucleophile. After that, in the second step, that is the first step, the electrophile is added up to the ion to form the product. And the third type of addition reaction is free radical addition reactions. In this type of addition reaction, electrophile that is free radical addition reaction. In this free radical addition reaction, at first the free radical is formed, like we are giving an example of propene or propanine with the reaction of hydrobromic acid in presence of peroxide. At first a radical is developed, that is bromine dot radical. After that, this radical add up to this alkene system, and next in the second step the H dot is added to that system. So that is a process of free radical addition reaction. So these three kinds of addition reactions we already understand what are these three free radical addition reactions. So that is the discussions that I wanted to make, that what are the types of addition reactions in organic chemistry. Okay, these are examples of the types of the addition reactions in organic chemistry. Thank you for watching these discussions, and if you have any question regarding this discussion, then you can ask your question to the comment section. I would be happy to answer your question. And if you if you find this video is interesting to you, or you are learning something from this video, then you can like this video. And if you find that this channel is important and you can learn something from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel.